Hi there, I'm Michaela from Mix Mixes. Today I'll be talking about making your own DIY arch for your wedding. We'll start with draping your tulle. Start with one piece of tulle and drape it loosely over your arch and secure it with cable ties. Next, we'll soak the Oasis blocks. Place the Oasis block on top of the water and let it soak through. Be careful not to push it down, otherwise it won't soak properly. Cut the chicken wire to size of the Oasis block and wrap the Oasis block in chicken wire tightly. Cable tie the block and the chicken wire to the arch structure. Get somebody to help you if you need to hold the Oasis block in place and secure as tightly as possible so that they don't move. Once you've finished tying all of your blocks to your arch structure, you can start covering your Oasis blocks with greenery. Try and cover as much as possible so that the Oasis doesn't show through, and create some shape with your longer pieces of greenery trailing up and down from each block. After that, you can fill in with your flowers. Use any color and any shape flowers that you like, but try and group the same colors or the same flowers together so that the shape and the structure looks natural. Also remember to keep your flowers at different heights and different lengths to create different depths.